Hello, good day to you traders and welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Forecast. As usual, we'll run through 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals. And for Saturdays on the channel. Sundays we'll run through weekly stock market forecast. And Monday through Friday, run through daily new trade setup. Potentially any new trade setup that's coming during the week. We publish them on the Monday through Friday on the channel. Then down in the description of this video, there is a timestamp of the asset we'll be covering. So hope you like this video and hope you have a happy trading week ahead. See you soon. On euro dollar for this week, euro dollar at present, we are looking to see if this was a running flat and if this is coming to retest the stock forward drop downside, or if this was all the correction and this was the final retest and they are coming back right now they are dropping right now for the correction of this climb upside before they resume the climb. So if we zoom to lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, if we show that our drawings, there is a chance that this was A and all this was B and they gave C and this is coming right now to give us that test before the drop downside, or this can be a correction of its own, a flat for more downside. So for now, watch out for the possibility of a climb. If we zoom to 1 hour time frame, this climb is faster than this. On euro dollar for this week, on pound dollar for this week, pound dollar gave us this climb at the beginning of last week and it did not retest the old top, which was surprising. And right now it seems they are preparing for a climb back and potentially they will retest that top before they will start a major drop downside. So watch this week to see if they are going to restart this climb to retest that top. We zoom to 4 hour time frame on pound dollar. On the 4 hour time frame, we see they correctively dropped to the trend line. You can either retest that top or give us a flat structure on this trend line here before they will drop. So this week, watch out for some buy momentum on pound dollar before the drop will come through. If we zoom to 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, this climb is faster than this. This was correction for the drop. So watch right now to see it. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar at present, we have been looking for the drop that will be coincident with this. And last week they attempted to give this drop, and right now they are correcting back upside a bit. We'll watch to see if they are making a flat here for continuation of the drop downside. I expect that this will be correction for some drop on Aussie dollar. If we zoom to 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, I want to watch this pull back upside. We expect correction and a climb. You can correct, climb more than drop. So watch for this on Aussie dollar this week. Some correction, some drop to come through. We zoom to 1 hour time frame. And 1 hour time frame, we see they have started correcting already here. So we want to watch correction, climb, correction, and a climb before the drop come through on Aussie for this week. On New Zealand dollar for this week, New Zealand dollar after this drop, after this corrective drop, they giving a climb back upside. And once they got to that top, they instantly drop back down, which means we are still in the correction phase. So still watch them correct here, drop, correct, drop. Still believe they will give us a correction similar with this, and then one more upside push before we see if they will give us a major drop downside. For this week, we'll watch for some more sales to come through after 4 hour, 1 hour correction. Using to the 4 hour, see they gave this correction here and they dropped and instantly pull back upside. So watch now for a bigger correction here for one more drop downside on New Zealand dollar. We zoom to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, want to watch this give us correction for a climb, correction for a climb, then the drop downside. This is what we want to watch out. On dollar swiss for this week, dollar swiss on the daily at present, I keep looking at this as potentially a flat of this bigger potential running flat here. I expect a big buy momentum to come through on dollar swiss. But the issue is this can be a running flat for one more retest of this low before they will come back upside with that buy momentum. So if you zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar swiss, on the 4-hour time frame, this can be the start of the buy momentum, but they gave correction here, which means even if this is the start of this buy momentum, we'll see another retest potentially back to this low level to make this an ABC flat for more upside to come through. So this week we want to watch for some drops on dollar swiss on sell momentum. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, I expect this to give us correction here and drop. On dollar yen for this week, as I have been expecting since last week, I expect that dollar yen will drop back to this low level. They gave this correction and dropped, and this week they have been collectively climbing back upside. So we'll see watch for when they will be ready to drop back to this low before they will take off back upside, as this was an A, B, C flat, or if they come back to this low, this will be the A, B, C before they will take off. So we want to watch out for that sell opportunity this week on dollar yen. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch for that potential. This can be a flat and they will retest this top before they will come back down. So we want to watch for this sell setup on dollar yen for this week. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On dollar CAD for this week, as we are all aware, I've been looking for a buy opportunity on dollar CAD, and they gave us this buy last week, but apparently it's not the buy we are looking for, as it's coming back to retest this low before it will give us the buy upside. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar CAD, and if we show the chart, the drawings, there is this potential running flat here, which will mean this sell momentum is coming to retest the low for the reverse back for us with buy momentum upside. So we want to watch out for that this week. Some sales will come through to drop us back to the low. If we zoom to the 4-hour time frame on dollar CAD, we want to watch this correction here for the drop back to the low for they will give us the reversal buy upside on dollar CAD. So we want to watch out for it. On gold for this week, gold at present on the daily has given this impulse, and right now it's presently in the A and B waves, as I expect this to come back a bit, complete this B wave for us, and then we'll see some sell momentum come through. So we want to watch for the completion of this flat. We zoom to a 4-hour time frame. We're looking for sell opportunity, and there is presently a sell setup here on the 4-hour that did not go through. So we'll watch for another sell opportunity back towards this low, and then one more buy momentum upside to complete the smaller A, B, C flat for the drop downside. So we want to watch out for this as it develops on gold. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we want to watch this. This can climb back upside a bit before to give us this drop downside, but the bigger trade is the sell. On silver for this week, silver at present is still in this corrective phase. Initially, I expected this to climb back to this top before the drop. At present, they are giving a pattern similar to that of gold, so watch for this flat for more drops to come through to the downside. So this week, we want to watch out for this drop on silver. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you see this they have been accumulating volumes here, after which I believe they will drop it down before it will come back upside. So this week, watch out for this sell opportunity on silver. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, also we want to watch out for that. This is correcting to give us some climb before to drop downside. So we want to watch out for this sell opportunity. We are looking for sell trades on silver. So that is it for this week.